Oh, hey, I didn't see you there. This cup's empty. My name's Julian Lee, and I'm here at MCM Media. And you know what? I'm having a pretty good day today. Why? Because this place has AC, it has carpeting, and most importantly, it has creativity. Now, when I graduated college, I was looking for a job. I still am. That's been the mission, that's been the goal. But where did I find a place where I could volunteer and keep my creative juices flowing? That's right, my dad's job, because he told me, you gotta do something. But after that, I found Montgomery Community Media. And it's been pretty good so far. I signed up for the volunteer program, and that's been really great. It's just like, what is it, 50 bucks? Kayla, how much is it? Is it 50 bucks? 50 bucks a year. You know how good that is? That's easy right there, all right? I signed up, I was on a G4 Sportscast show. The host was like 12 and he's been to the Super Bowl. Closest I've been to the Super Bowl was my sister playing, actually it wasn't even football, she was playing soccer, but they called it the Super Bowl. I don't know why, we were 8. So that was kind of cool. I've been on mic checks, I've helped up set cameras, I've done a lot of cool stuff. And then I even got to sign up for the Digital Futures Institute. That's super great. And all the fellows in that got to sign up for a membership for free. I didn't because I already bought mine, but it's fine though, I'm not mad about it.
A few moments later.
Kayla, let's give Julian a free membership.
On it.
Regardless, I've been having a great time. I've been making a lot of great friends. We've been making a lot of cool stuff. We've been doing a lot of stuff. We were filming a concert the other day, so we got to a concert for free. We were filming this up-and-coming musical artist, so we got to film a celebrity for free. It's been pretty cool. I can't complain. Other than that, you should sign up. You should join MCM. Why not? What else are you doing? You're watching this video, that means you got free time. Go sign up. It's had such a good impact on me. I've been able to make films, been able to make friends. It's just super important to me to be able to create videos. I mean, videos can never die. You could be watching this in the year 3002. Will I be there? Maybe, but will this video? Yes. It's about the future. It's about the digital. It's about the institution. It's about my Montgomery Community Media. Hey, thanks for stopping by. I'll see y'all in the next video. This is still empty.